Hey everyone, I went on the largest ship in the world, and in this video I'm going to share with you everything I ate, so let's get started with the video. It was an easy process to get on board the Wonder of the Seas, and our rooms were ready, so we went to go and check them out. Our room was really nice. It was a Central Park balcony.
Yes, yes! Oh, wait for me! Wait for me! I'm gonna cut my thing off.
Oh my god! Look how cool it is! We have a double balcony! The first specialty restaurant we went to eat at was the Mason Jar. For the starters, we had jalapeno cornbread and buttermilk biscuits with honey butter and Cajun butter. Both the cornbread and biscuits were delicious. I especially liked the honey butter on both of them. For appetizers, we had crab beignets, which are snow crab fritters dusted with Old Bay, and creamy lump crab dip on the side. Then we had blueberry Johnny cakes, which are cornmeal flapjacks slathered with barbecue pulled pork, crispy chicken skin, and it comes with a side of coleslaw. Next we had the smoky deviled eggs, which had pickles and peppers, crispy capers, fried chicken skin, and was dusted with paprika. All these appetizers were absolutely delicious. My favorite were the deviled eggs and the Johnny cakes. The deviled eggs were so flavorful and good. And the Johnny cakes were even better than I imagined, especially if you put the coleslaw on top. That coleslaw was delicious. For the main course, I got the barbecue ribs with a side of mac and cheese and coleslaw. And my mom got the shrimp and grits. We also shared a plate of Nashville fried chicken. Everything was so good, but by this point we were like extremely full. But I still have room for dessert. For dessert, I had fried Oreos with a side of butter pecan ice cream. The butter pecan ice cream was especially good.
This mama laid up. She full. Mama don't even notice me. That was her cherry pie. I got full. Say hi, Nana. She laid up, she full.
Baby, I'm gonna sit up here and eat all this food that these people I'm so full, I can't even sit straight up. You hear me? It was delicious though. If y'all ever come on the Wonder, definitely check out the Mason Jar.
We're gonna sleep good.
Full, you hear me? I was full after they gave us the cornbread and the, what was it, the biscuit.
Yeah, the
And I
biscuits.
didn't even eat my biscuit. I ate the cornbread.
I started to feel it when I started eating the ribs.
Oh, that's when you started feeling?
Yeah, when I
No,
started eating
after
ribs.
the appetizers, the deviled eggs, the Johnny cakes.
Yeah, I
the
could definitely take this to eat.
Did Kiona tell y'all that she ordered some deviled eggs to go?
Yeah, I did. I'm taking it back to the room. Let me think. Should I take a nap and then eat? I'm gonna take a good nap.
I'm sitting there, I was literally dozing off when you say, Mama, I'm like this.
And actually, I was filming for a good 30 seconds, talking.
For real?
Yeah, and I was like, oh, she doesn't notice me.
Girl, you ever eat so much you tired? I feel like somebody done beat me or something.
After eating at the Mason Jar, we went back to our room to rest and digest. I went out on the balcony just to chill and read, and I swear going out on the balcony just to chill was my favorite pastime on the cruise. It was so relaxing sitting out there. The next morning, me and my mom went to the Windjammer for breakfast. I got waffles, eggs, bacon, hash browns, and a roll. I got a roll every morning. Those rolls were the best. For lunch, we went to Azumi, hibachi, and sushi. For Azumi lunch, you get 1 small plate, 2 large plates, and a dessert. For my small plate, I got the pork gyoza dumplings, which were so good. Then, for my 2 large plates, I got the baked snow crab and salmon dynamite roll, and the tonkatsu ramen. Both the sushi and the tonkatsu ramen were like really good, especially the sushi. Man, that sushi was delicious. And finally, for dessert, I got the green tea ice cream. This is how we look in the full dress, you know, I got the gloves and stuff, and I got these shoes on, they don't hurt.
You don't even believe it.
Ooh, I love my dress, I look so cute. I'm looking how she looking. Mama looks good too though.
Girl, I'm not dressing up. I done dressed up on too many cruises. I'm over it.
For dinner we went to Giovanni's, and since it was formal night, I decided to dress up. For starters, we got these garlic cheese knots. For the appetizer, I got the truffle caprese salad, which had truffle burrata, arugula, heirloom tomatoes, pesto, balsamic glaze, and fresh basil oil. The dish was very light and refreshing. For the main course, I got lasagna, which came out hot and cheesy. Then I also got the Giovanni's pizza. The toppings on the pizza are ricotta cheese, spicy salami, honey, and pepper. This pizza was so good that I ended up making it when I got home. Next day, I went to Hooked for lunch. First, they served these delicious biscuits topped with butter. Then I got the clam chowder for my appetizer. Then for the main course, I got the Maryland crab cake, which is served with a homemade tartar sauce. That crab cake was freaking delicious, and the sauce, oh my god, the sauce was so good. Then I also got the Maine lobster roll, and for dessert I got coconut cream pie. On the last day of the cruise, me and my mom went to the Mason Jar again for brunch. It was just so good the last time, we just had to come back. So to begin, we got the jalapeno cornbread again, but this time it was served with pimento cheese and honey butter. We got those delicious deviled eggs again. And once again, we got the blueberry Johnny cakes. For the main course, I got the chicken sandwich. And finally for dessert, we got this humongous cinnamon roll with candied pecans. And that's it, that's everything I ate on the Wonder of the Seas. I had a wonderful time on Wonder of the Seas. All the food was delicious and I was always left full and satisfied. The staff was also awesome and friendly. Oh, and if you ever go on Wonder of the Seas, the #1 place you should definitely try is Mason Jar. Whether it's brunch or it's for dinner, you should definitely try Mason Jar. The food is excellent. All the other places were great, but Mason Jar is my absolute favorite. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!